Today we are again in a village called Shaleng. Shaleng is a part of Kubana village, and we are currently at a site called Letlapa Shaleng. Letlapa is named after the village itself. It's a mysterious rock. In terms of the geological investigation, one would deduce that in those days the rocks were were very soft. You can see a footprint here, a couple of footprints which shows where rocks were soft during era. So we are at this mysterious rock with very huge rock. In terms of measurement, we do not know how does it go down. Now, this sacred site for the people of Shaleng. It's a sacred site because it's governed by certain taboos. But then the community, and especially the young generation, do not know about these taboos. So exercises like these are very vital. Enlighten young people about this, should I say, geological mystery. Why I say geological mystery? Because the rock is combined with a tree. A tree is growing out of this rock, and eventually they combine to form one thing, which we do not know in years what will that come to be. It reminds me of a certain object in Cape Town, which was a tree branch, and in 100 years to the oral history, it become a metal. So when you touch that particular object, you can see that this looks like a tree, but it's actually a metal. So processes like this are mysterious to show how nature is wonderful and how we people nature to define our culture. But this is a geological and put some narrations. People of Shaleng can play at this rock for recreational purposes, for example, but similarly respecting the taboos that govern this particular site that also needs a lot of, should I say, campaigns, awareness campaigns, so that the importance of this site, how can they use this site to be a tourist attractions, to bring tourists here, tourists from all over the province, Africa and the world abroad, so that the community can also benefit from sites such as this, because we are hiding places like this, not knowing how potential they could be for our own development. Because it's a time that we begin to own up our culture and heritage, use our own cultural heritage for our own benefits. We should not shy away from people will start also saying that, because if we do not do such, some people will come and they are going to steal this particular knowledge of ours and the actual objects, and even use the same sites for their own benefits, because they realize that we are blindfolded and not want to actually recognize what our forebears left for us. And that will define, start to understand actually, but see where they are, where they come to be, where they are, and even the naming of the same village, Shaleng. How did it come to be named? Shaleng, so it's important. What does Shaleng means? So yes, this is the site, which is a site of culture. Enjoy it. They should